Okay, we're in a 2016 Coachman Apex 23LE with one slide. This is the slide that's out right here. This is your dinette that turns into a bed. And then out in the front, you have your queen bed in the front and your curtains to close it. TV, entertainment system. Nice woodwork. Coming back around to the sink, microwave, stove, oven, refrigerator. And then in the back, you have your little bunks and your toilet and shower. Very nice unit. Perfect shape. Woodwork is excellent. Sink doesn't look like it's been used. There's no wear on any of the fabric, no wear on the table. Floor looks perfect. Nice coach. Okay.